The overall goal of this statistical trigonometric regression is to model the timing of relapse events that commonly characterize a patient's disease course in multiple sclerosis, and use these models to study seasonal and latitudinal correlates of relapse onset.
This method can help explore key questions in the natural history and the epidemiology of multiple sclerosis, including the independent influences of season and latitude in the timing of relapse, which has great potential to guide subsequent investigations into the biological mechanisms of relapse. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a flexible regression-based tool for exploring and investigating periodic and cyclic phenomena. This allows the influences of latitude and season to be isolated from a series of other correlates of relapse, including patient and treatment factors.
The analyses described here are made using command line-driven Stata software. Begin by opening a do file. Click on the New Do File Editor button. Next, using the Generate command, calculate the number of relapse onsets dated to each of the 12 calendar months. Do this for the geographic level being modeled, which in this case is the hemisphere. Execute the Generate command as all commands are executed by clicking the Execute Do File Action button in the Do file. Next, execute an swilk command or an skTest command to test the underlying distribution of relapse counts for normality. These options apply either a Shapiro-Wilk or a modified Harke-Barra test, respectively. Make the appropriate choice.